Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. The Jamaica Scorpions are on the ropes as Barbados Pride took command of their third-round CWI Regional 4-Day Championship match at Sabina Park. At Stumps on Monday's second day, the Scorpions, who were made to follow on, reached 22 for 1, 275 runs away from forcing the Pride to bat again. The hosts had earlier been dismissed for 142 in reply to the Pride's first innings, 439. Captain John Campbell top-scored with 36, while Kurt Mackenzie contributed 31 in a 61-run opening partnership, the only period of stability for the Scorpions. Right-arm off-spinner Roston Chase ended pick of the Barbados Pride bowlers, taking 5 for 38, his 11th first-class 5-wicket haul, while left-arm spinner Joshua Bishop supported with 4 for 31. Earlier, Chase added just 2 to his overnight 82, but wicketkeeper Lanika Boucher with 50, Shamar Springer 45 and Jediah Blades 21 ensured Barbados added 93 to their overnight 346 for 5, 63 of which came in a 10th wicket partnership between Springer and Blades. Markina Mindley 3 for 62 and Odine Smith 3 for 91 were the pick of the Scorpions bowlers. Scores in the contest so far: Barbados Pride 439, Jamaica Scorpions 142 and 22 for 1, with Brandon King 15 and Kurt Mackenzie 5 set to resume on day 3.